Hey, what's up, guys? And so today, I'm making a Mario video, my blushes. This is our first episode. This is called Mario and the Birds. And this is our second video. Mario and the Birds. This episode is called Mario and the Birds from the Mario and Luigi Adventures. Okay, let's start it. Hey, Mario.
What?
Let's go home.
Why our home has like little holes?
They broke our windows, Mario. Someone's robbing us. Let's run. Mario, run. You stupid duck. You stupid fat chubby man.
Son of...
Birds. Who are you talking to? We're not birds. We're the angry birds. Yo. I told you guys not to busting into my house all the time. Why you always busting? You scare us. Right, Mario?
Yup, because we wanted our game back. You're so mean.
I'm an angry bird. Well, shoot everybody. Get out. Get out.
I'm gonna... Hey, let's use a slingshot.
Oh, hello, baby. Yeah, get out.
Let's use a slingshot.
Oh, he knocked it out. Luigi, come here.
I'm gonna use my big one again.
No. Help me.
I'm gonna help you. Come on. You're not in the air. Come on.
The birds. You die now. Ah. I think that made me go blind for a second.
Oh my gosh, I'm about to be unconscious. No, I'm just sleeping with spaghetti. No, I'm still alive. No one used me. So that's right.
To be continued on part 2. Subscribe and comment, you guys.